Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of trading with a groundbreaking strategy that combines a brand new premium indicator with the tried and true power of a unique version of the RSI indicator. We'll break down the strategy step by step, share real-world examples, and show you how this dynamic duo can help you spot potential opportunities in the market. So grab your notepads and let's get started. So I'm in TradingView, and this is what our chart is going to look like when we're done setting up our indicators. I'm going to be using a Bitcoin chart on a 5-minute time frame to explain this strategy. Relative to the many other strategies out there, this strategy is definitely more capable of generating magical results if used properly. I'll quickly cross out these indicators so I can explain their settings from the beginning. First of all, let's add our first indicator to the chart. So we will access the Indicators tab and search for Trader XO. After this, apply this indicator created by BDSC Charlie to the chart. This indicator will be the main indicator giving us buy and sell signals. This indicator works by detecting the crossings of two moving averages and gives off buy or sell signals. For example, it has given a buy signal here. If we were to enter the trade here and set the stop loss to down here, we would have made a profit up to this range. Similarly, we can see we have got good sell signals as well. But on many occasions, we can see there are a lot of false buy and sell signals, so we cannot use this indicator on its own. So to filter out these signals, we will need to add another indicator to the chart. Before that, let's quickly change the settings for this indicator. This will make the indicator more accurate. In the input section of its settings, we will change the fast MA to 35 instead of 12, and the slow MA to 60 instead of 25. After this, we have to apply another indicator to the chart. So again, we will access the Indicators tab and search for Entry RSI History, and then add this one created by JD option to the chart. In simpler words, this indicator shows a histogram of the RSI in relation to an EMA of the RSI. The histogram is then smoothed to give early reversal or entry signals. We will use this indicator to confirm the signals given by the Trader XO Macro Trend Scanner indicator. For example, here we can see we got a buy signal, so we will only enter the trade if this RSI line is also green. And similar goes for a sell signal. So now that our chart is set, let's go through the complete rules for entering a buy and sell trade using this strategy. By the way, if you don't feel like analyzing prices yourself, you can join my free Telegram group. Here I share daily the buy and sell positions I open. The link is in the description below this video. So for a buy trade to be valid, we will wait for the following conditions to be fulfilled. First of all, we want the Trader XO Macro Trend indicator to give us a buy signal. After this, we will confirm this signal with the help of RSI histogram indicator. And for this, the RSI histogram line should be green in color, just like it is here. Finally, we will only enter a trade on a green candle in case of buy trade. So if all these conditions are fulfilled, we can safely enter a buy trade. So I'll quickly enter a buy position here. We will set our stop loss at the lower line of the Trader XO Macro Trend indicator, which will be right here. And for this strategy, we will target a risk to reward ratio of 1.5. Now let's see if the market will hit our target or not. And the market hit our target easily, making this a successful trade. Money management rules are a very important aspect of a trading strategy. You can use the one I've explained or any other that you think works better for you. Now let's go through some more examples of a buy trade so you guys can understand the rules and conditions better. Here we can see we got a buy signal from the Trader XO Macro Trend Scanner indicator, which is then confirmed by the RSI histogram indicator. As we can see, it is green in color, which indicates the market has a bullish momentum. So we can open a buy trade at a green candle here. So after your position is opened, we will set our stop loss right here at the lower line of the Trader XO Macro Trend Scanner indicator, and then set our take profit ratio at 1.5. Please feel free to comment down below how you think this strategy can be improved. Now let's go through the rules for entering a sell trade using these two indicators. So the rules for a sell trade are exactly opposite to the buy trade rules that I've explained. First of all, we will wait for the Macro Trend Scanner indicator to give a sell signal, which is represented by this red triangle icon. After we have got this signal, we will confirm it with the help of our RSI indicator, just like we did in buy trade example. But in case of a sell trade, the RSI histogram line should be red in color. And finally, remember to enter the trade on a red candle. So if all these conditions are fulfilled, we can enter a sell trade. So I'll quickly open a sell position here. We're going to follow the same money management rules for sell trade that we used in our buy trade example. The only difference will be that we will set our stop loss at the upper line of the macro trend indicator, and then set our risk to reward ratio at the same 1.5%. Now let's see if the market will hit our target. I hope you guys have understood this strategy. Let's quickly go through one more sell trade example so that the concepts are clear. By the way, if you don't feel like analyzing prices yourself, you can join my free Telegram group. Here I share daily the buy and sell positions I open. The link is in the description below this video. Here we can see we got a sell signal which is confirmed by the RSI line, which is red in color. So I'll open a sell position here at the bearish candle and follow the same take profit and stop loss rules. Of course, no strategy gives 100% accurate signals, but this one is pretty good as the addition of this RSI histogram indicator filters out many fake signals. So this is going to be it for this strategy. If you guys found this video beneficial, press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click on the bell notification. Thanks for watching the video till the end. I'll see you guys in the next video.